Hello everybody, this is Matt from Mine Academy. I just wanted to wish you Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas guys, take it easy during holidays, go and enjoy with the people that you love, and have a wonderful start of the new year. We've been around for a very long time. I actually received my very first micro server as a Christmas gift back in 2012, December 24th, 2012 exactly, so little over 11 years ago, and it completely changed my life. And I'm very happy now to be in a position where, I can teach you something, and I can teach you how to code, I can teach you how to build amazing servers, and hopefully improve your life as well. Because, sometimes it's these smallest decisions that produce exponential results if you stay with them for long enough, right? If I had quit 3 months later because I didn't have enough players or it was too hard, I would never release my first plugin. I would never make my server public. I would never scale my server, let alone teach others how to build servers and code plugins. If I would quit, 2-3 years into my journey, then I guess I would probably say, well, I made a decent, semi-decent, okay, let's be honest, not even decent plugin, and that would have been it, right? But I persevered. I did not listen to naysayers. I was very committed, and 11 years later, we are at a place where we worked with major companies. We just got in with Microsoft partnership. YouTube has approved us. We are now able to monetize the channel. We also work with JetBrains for over 2 years now, which is really, really cool. And we've built this thing called Mine Academy that helps people to develop the skill of coding, develop the skill of running microservers, but also just become a better person, more like a higher version of yourself. Think like a pro programmer and think like a person on a higher caliber. Because I know for me, this last 11 years, wasn't only about coding, it was mostly about my personal transformation, overcoming limiting beliefs, working with my ego, working with, my mindset. And I know that if I could take away everything and just keep the same mindset, I could basically replicate this in more than just coding arenas. Because I think that the psychology and the mindset are sometimes more important than actually sitting down and writing a couple of lines of code, right? Because if you are struggling with motivation, or you don't have the right beliefs, or you think that, oh, it's too hard, I don't have the talent, right? Well, you're not going to be able to sit down and push through and achieve any level of mastery, because that requires a lot of time. So that's my message. If you want to do something, I think Christmas, and especially the time around New Year, the energy is always fresh. I think it's a really amazing time to start. And I want to release one more video about how I organize my entire year. I'm also going to be giving you a free calendar, so subscribe to this channel to receive a notification about it. And if you do want to start coding, if you do want to, jump into this beautiful world of making Minecraft plugins, building microservers, and really just becoming like a higher level developer, like a pro person, I think that right now is the best time to start. For that reason, we have started our 12 Days of Christmas sale. This is going to run until, I believe, at least the 5th of January 2024, and you can get all of our courses for up to 72% off, starting with the latest course, which is called Forge Mastery, that is just for $47. So I think that, right now it's actually the best time to start. Anyways, guys, I'm signing off, saying hello to you from beautiful Norway. I'm very grateful to being here and spending time with my family. As you can see, we have a lot of snow. It's actually right here. The lighting is kind of weird, but maybe I can just take the camera and do a little showcase. As you can see, it's a lot of freaking snow. It's really beautiful. And yeah, Merry Christmas. Take it easy, and I'll see you guys next year. Ciao.